Hello, this is Andrea and Daniel. Hope you enjoy this visit to Porcupine Mountains Wilderness State Park. We left this beautiful scene to go to Lake of the Clouds, which is a lake located in Ontonagon County in the Upper Peninsula of the U.S. state of Michigan, within the Porcupine Mountains Wilderness State Park. The lake is situated in a valley between two ridges in the Porcupine Mountains. So we went through Ontonagon and we are entering Porcupine Mountain State Park. Lake of the Clouds is 8 miles from here. Superior.
To the store to get a permit.
Oh, that's right. We have to get a day use sticker, and I don't know. We don't know now if we should have gone to the.
I don't know. They got a place up here.
To the entrance to the state park.
I think we have to go back there and get it.
We don't want to go 8 miles and then find out. Oh, we don't have the day use. So okay, we'll turn around. We stopped at the visitor center and bought the $11 day pass. We picked up Porcupine Mountain visitor little information thing here. I asked how long was the hike up to Lake of the Clouds, and they said only 300 feet.
She says
it's hardly a hike. It's like a stroll. So it's been so many years since we were last there. I couldn't remember. Could you remember anything about?
No, I kind of know. I said it was a short hike.
Yeah, it's dog friendly. They said that there's some steps. So now we have 7 miles to go to get there. So. This is this was a very, very nice visitor center, though.
Yep.
They even had a little museum where they showed taxidermy of different animals. Interesting for children to see them that up close. And so okay, here we are in the parking lot, and this is the start of the trail.
It's wheelchair accessible.
Wheelchair accessible. Oh gosh. Yeah, because after this, then you can see in the woods it's a blacktop trail. But there's a lot of people. It's Saturday today, so look at all the cars. You have to remember, this is the most visited place in Porcupine Mountain State Park. Okay. Yeah, here's the blacktop trail. Libby's already having fun smelling everything she can. That's how she sightsees. Oh, Daniel, I forgot my sunglasses.
Okay.
I have to go back.
Oh.
Oopsie. Libby, you got turned around. We'll start over at the right. I don't remember this last time. Well, yeah, I don't know. It's been so many years. They add on, they make changes. What about you, Daniel?
I don't remember this one.
Well, they could have added this on. There's nobody else down here. They're all over on the other end, facing the lake. Which we'll be going there. We just wanted to start at the right side. This is just beautiful. There's the start of the lake.
You can see us.
Look at this stony bluff. This is all Porcupine Mountain State Park as far as you can see. This state park covers 60,000 acres, over 90 miles of hiking trails, and even 65 primitive campsites. Oh, it continues. Wow. How far does it go? Oh, look at this view.
These are better than the last one.
Wow. Oh, see, you can see somebody standing way up there. We'll be going there next. And that's...
Time we're walking down.
There's a trail down there. It's a walking bridge.
Yeah.
The bridge. Well, there's other trails that people can take here. Of course, ours was just a short little ways up from the parking lot, but there are other longer trails. So they can walk way into the woods down there.
Yeah.
And then where does this go?
We'll have to find out.
And for how long does it go? Wow, this is why it pays to always return to spots you've been to once. Return to it. Things change, improve. Boardwalks improve. It's just, it's so much fun to see places again and again. So this could be leading up to an adjoining trail that somebody can take. You know, there's, well, here's a map. I don't know, that's not going to show the trails. Yeah, I'm sure that there's, see, there's people coming.
Yeah, we're not going to
Down. That's all adjoining trails. Libby, she's always leading us, trying to lead us places. We would recommend, if you come to this state park, to visit Copper Peak. It's located near Ironwood, Michigan. It's an iconic ski flying hill and adventure destination, offering visitors the thrill of riding an elevator to the top of the world's largest ski jump for breathtaking panoramic views of the North Woods and Lake Superior. We made the rocky climb up here. Okay, we have to get to the edge. Get over these rocks. And now we're on an area where we can walk. Okay, so now you see more of the lake. We think that's Carp River. This is all I remember last time is this wall to prevent you from falling in. We're taking this little hike back. There are hopefully 2 waterfalls in the Presque Isle. Oh, the Presque Isle Falls has 3 waterfalls.
Yeah.
So these are 2 here. And then we'll park again at another spot to see the 3rd one.
Yep.
So we're just approaching it. We can hear the water running.
So here's your walkway. You can see that down there. The flat stairs. Okay.
Yeah, there's steps going down, and here, I'll show you the now we're going down here, and then that's where the waterfall is. Actually thinking that we have to take that walkway over to get on that side. See, on this side there's a trail, but it's more open to seeing the waterfall. This is absolutely stunning when you look at all this rock. Isn't that something that this would all be covered with water during a high water season after a rainfall or in the spring of the year? What a time to come here then. So here we are crossing the bridge to go to the other side, and then this is where the water exits and goes into Lake Superior. this. We're about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them come together. Continue to walk out. This is the other side of the river, and we're just walking out on this rocky part here to get another view of this river and the falls. People are walking way out here because yeah, way down there you can see that waterfall that's real wide. This series of Presque Isle Falls is just spectacular to see. Now we walked further out on what looks like slate, so we came from way back there, came down there. And then way in the distance, I tried to get a photo before of that one. That is so powerful. It's creating that mist. This was really a nice flat trail all the way here, and then we came to this deck. This is upriver. And this is the falls. I'm sure we could just drive straight home at this point, but we decided, let's just make it another night. So we stopped at North Trout Lake Campground. This is located by Boulder Junction, Wisconsin. We saw this deer right along the road going into Sainer, Wisconsin, and then we finally got to eat at Wolfpack Cafe for breakfast, a place we've been wanting to get to for quite some time. It's located on Highway 70 East, right in St. Germain, Wisconsin. They claim the best pancakes in the world, offering them in a wide variety of flavors.